Can anyone explain to me what this is? I think it's like some sort of moisture that's falling from the sky. I think the world's ending. I want to get your naked butt teeth.
No.
Come on, the world wants to know. Babe, I think you left something under the blanket when you made the bed.
What's that?
Oh my god, it's a kitty! You're so cute.
Enjoying the rainy day.
Okay, say goodbye. Are you modeling? Are you modeling? Oh. You want to tell everyone how mean you are to me?
Yeah. I'm gonna now.
What?
Nag, nag, nag.
He's the one marrying me, so that sounds like a personal problem. He's settled. So we are about to walk out into this unknown environment. It's something very wet. I'm unsure what it is exactly. Babe, what is this? What is this coming from the sky? What? I'm melting. I'm melting! Melting! Oh. I'm melting! I'm documenting this for evidence. Somehow, hold on, we have to focus and make sure that this is clear.
I'm
Clear.
driving because
Clear!
you're
No!
vlogging right now. You can't vlog and drive, you little dingo.
Why is it not focusing? Come on. Oh, we're clear. Okay.
You have to focus on
Okay,
you.
so we're doing this for evidence right now. Somehow, whenever we walk out to my car, CJ ends up in my seat driving my car that I pay $500 a month for, and he thinks he looks really cool while driving it. So what is that? Wow, that's fascinating actually. Look at that. It's like steam. Okay, anyways. Yeah, but he freaking drives my car and he thinks he owns my car and I'm just paying for it. I'm not a sugar mama. I'm not.
You can't vlog and drive at the same time.
But I can, and I have before.
When?
Why
not supposed to.
Why does it matter? My dad doesn't watch these. I'm just kidding. No, he does. He does. I don't vlog and drive, Dad. Yeah, he does. All of them do. My grandma, actually. Shout out to Grandma. She was like, I need to go thrifting with you sometime. Your tips are so good. Blah, 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 blah.
Oh.
I'm like, fan club. As long as I got the fam, that's all that matters. Yeah. Where are we going to breakfast? The dankest. Dankest of the dank. So I come to a restaurant and come to find out Lauren has put her card over mine. Trying to steal my business, girl, or what?
She left her name in there.
I know.
Same thing.
Rude, rude. I think the vaping, like, Illuminati is after me.
Vape Nash!
Vape Nash!
Vape Nash, bro!
So after eating 200,000 calories, we're about to go buy some pre-workout so we can burn some. This stuff is like crack. Good crack, right? Yeah. All right, so we went with the Mr. Hyde. I think this is a new flavor. It's sour green apple. If I can get it to focus. What do you mean? You don't think it's a new flavor?
New flavor for you.
Okay, well, I'm pretty sure it's a new flavor, but maybe it's a new flavor for me. Never tried it. Gonna be bomb though, I'm sure. I've tried a ton of pre-workouts in my day, and Mr. Hyde is like the only one that keeps me going, and the whole workout keeps me focused and gets me that pump, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna try that. Time to work out, right?
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna pour it in?
Your voice cracked a little bit. You need some Mr. Hyde. Give me that goodness. That crack attack. All right, we're getting the official taste test. Okay, the lips don't need to be accentuated that much. Review?
It tastes like a sour green apple ring.
Wow, who would have guessed?
Isn't that crazy?
That's crazy. This is not a paid ad, by the way. No sponsorship. Close.
Wait.
I'm not wearing makeup. I haven't waxed my lip in a while either. I think I put too much water. Hold on. Wait, no, it's not even.
What'd you say about your lip?
It's hairy. It's hairy. Speaking of that, can you not zoom in on my
I'm
fucking...
gonna back it up. What do you think?
Oh wow, yeah.
Doesn't it taste good?
No, literally. It tastes like those Sour Patch straws. Doesn't it?
No. It tastes like a sour green apple ring.
Killed it. So I thought of a slogan for Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. If you ain't pooping, it ain't working.
That wasn't that good.
Why?
That wasn't that good of a slogan. It's okay though.
What do you mean? That is good. If you ain't taking a shit, you ain't gonna lift.
That's a better
That was
slogan.
worse.
That's
Not even. That was so bad. Hold on. Let me think of another one. If this bitch doesn't get out of my way, she about to get run over.
oh.
So I'm trying to lift.
Yeah, you definitely turned it into Mr. Hyde.
What is that?
Alright, let's go work out.
You gotta get the gains. That one.
Ooh, wow. Wow, look at that bicep.
Okay. How was our workout?
It was pretty Gucci gang.
It wasn't really. I mean,
No.
I have to say I was really disappointed with the
pretty trash.
pre-workout. I don't know if they changed their formula or something, but it didn't work as well.
Oh yeah, prospecting.
Yeah, Prospect.
Oh, yeah.
Now all of you guys know that we live by Prospect. That's probably not a good thing. Paparazzi.
You're gonna find
Don't come stalk us. Just kidding. We're not that cool. Maybe we are though. Maybe we will be. Maybe you guys need to stay tuned.
Maybe one day.
Maybe one day we'll be making money off this. Who knows? I doubt it. But maybe.
Hopefully. Shout out to my mom.
For now. So, on our way home from the gym, I got a call, or a text I should say, from my receptionist at my salon that she booked me a client in 20 minutes. So I ran home, showered, got ready, and I'm off to the salon now. The joys of owning your own business, you know, you just gotta make it work. Gym, salon, come home, do whatever you need to do for the rest of the night. It's like constant whirlwind, racing around, but if you wanna live the lifestyle, you gotta work with it, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna finish putting lipstick on and I'll probably catch up with you guys later because this is craziness right now.
Cause I don't love you yet, but I'm working on it, trying to see what's next. You got me vexed, and I'm foolish. I'm calling on a higher power like Lord. I think I'm seeing stars, and no, it's just you. You got me in the mood I've never been in. So let me get your digits. I gotta let you know you're winning, and I wanna win too with you.
So I'm getting off. My nose is running. My makeup's falling off. Successful day at work. Made some money, but I'm ready to go home. Getting some PJs and watch a movie or something. But yeah, I'm done for the day. So let's go see what CJ's up to.
5 degrees, cooler than summer breeze.
So I come home.
Una mujer.
I thought I was gonna let you guys know what CJ is doing.
Una mujer. Y la cocina.
Learning Spanish.
Un hombre.
Because he's the worst Mexican I've ever
Wow.
met in my life.
Un hombre. Un hombre. Mujer come. That means the woman is eating. I think. Ella es cocinando. El aire.
Ella, baby.
Ella, bebé.
That stash though just makes it all.
Ella.
I gotta let you know you're winning.